You need a real estate coach if you are unconscious competent, which means you have no idea how to replicate your success through other people. That's one reason. Another reason why you need a real estate coach is you are constantly on a hamster wheel. You feel like you're at everybody's beck and call 24/7. You're not able to enjoy a holiday. You've ruined more special occasions, date nights than you care to admit. And number three is you have no exit strategy. You have no idea how to exit production. If this sounds like you, then you probably need a real estate coach. If you want to take your production from 50 deals to 100 deals, you need to probably surround yourself with people that have done that. You probably need to seek out a coach who's effectively doing that or has done that in the past. Definitely want to make sure you're not the smartest person in the rooms you're hanging out in. Are you in an environment that's not challenging, that's not helping you thrive? Probably need a coach. So here's the thing, Tiger Woods, Michael Jordan, every single one of these great players have had coaches in history. And I'll tell you right now, the reason a coach can benefit you is because they can see exactly what your shortfalls are and then help you devise a plan to step by step improve where you're going. That's why you need a coach. There's probably a million other reasons, but those are some really key ones that stand out to me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you really found this valuable, smash the like button below, subscribe to our YouTube page, and then look for more amazing content.